Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make chicken quiche at home. First, let's prepare the crust. You can use a store-bought pie crust for convenience, or make your own for a truly homemade touch. Blind baking the crust is a crucial step. It helps prevent a soggy bottom. Bake it for about 10 to 15 minutes until it's lightly golden. This foundation is key to a perfect quiche. Next, let's get our delicious filling ready. You'll need about 1.5 cups of cooked chicken, shredded. Rotisserie chicken works wonderfully for this. Sauté 1/2 cup of chopped onions and 1 cup of sliced mushrooms until they are tender and fragrant. Then, combine your cooked chicken, the sautéed vegetables, and 1 cup of your favorite shredded cheese in a large bowl. This mixture forms the heart of your quiche. Now for the creamy custard that binds everything together. In a separate bowl, whisk together 4 large eggs with 1 1/2 cups of milk or heavy cream. The creamier the liquid, the richer your quiche will be. Season this mixture with about 1/2 teaspoon of salt, a good pinch of black pepper, and a dash of nutmeg. Nutmeg adds that classic warm flavor that truly elevates a quiche. Whisk until well combined. Finally, it's time to assemble and bake your masterpiece. Pour the chicken, vegetable, and cheese mixture evenly into your blind-baked pie crust. Then, carefully pour the egg custard over the filling, ensuring it's distributed well. Bake your quiche in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 40 to 50 minutes, or until the center is set and the top is golden brown. Let it cool slightly before slicing and serving.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.